This is John. He's come to sort out our printer because it was doing this on every page. Bit of a waste of paper. So I'll hand over and John will show you how you can solve this problem very quickly.
Okay. Right, before we start, quite simply, a lot of people always want to tear down the printer to try and find the fault without actually looking at what the image is doing. If we take a look at the page, we can see that the image fault we have is running down the page all the way. Alternatively, the other type of fault we would ever see would be ones that are staged along the page. If we were looking at one along the page, we would very simply take that measurement, follow it round on itself to find the diameter of the roller, and we could look for a roller that diameter that would be causing an image issue of that size. In this instance, we're not. We are looking for something down the page. So the next thing we have to assess is it an isolated colour or is it all colours? This is very clearly a composition of all colours. So with that, we have to consider what parts of the printer deal with all colours. Looking into the printer, we have our toner cartridges, which are also our drums, in the machine, and above that would be what's called the transfer belt, the ITB, the internal transfer belt. That deals with all colours, as does, in the side assembly, the fusing unit. The fusing unit is the hot roller, which also deals with all colours. So a very simple test. We look to see the transfer belt is situated here with blue tabs. Any blue tabs on an HP printer mean that the user can actually make use of these parts and address them, pull them out, look at them, examine them. They don't have to be only dealt with by technicians. So pulling the blue tabs, I release the internal transfer belt and I can instantly see I have toner forming here and I have some very, very bad scars on the actual surface of the belt. And clearly this has happened because the waste toner living in the bottom of the printer has built up, it's become blocked, it's scarred the belt, and that is what's giving you your image issue. So, like all good technicians, I carry a belt with me. And as an example, you can see the difference in surface. It's smooth, no lines, no leaks, no toner. We just insert that into the machine, close up the doors, we have to wait.
How much would such a belt cost, John?
Well, the belts can be bought as refurbished units or as new. As a new item, they are expensive. They're around about £150. But as a refurbished unit, which we sell from our workshop, there are about £70, which is a huge saving on obviously replacing with the new item. You still get the same amount of life. We still warranty the part, and it just makes it a lot easier for you.
Right.
But what this will allow us to do is we will then be able to produce a print from here. So if we go in and have a look and see, to produce the same page as we had before, so a demonstration page, and we should be clear of all marks. The magic moment. Lovely clear print.
Voila. Thank you, John.
No problem at all. Thank you, Steve. Any other queries, you can get hold of me at matrixservicesonline.com. Thank you.